How to schedule emails using Klaviyo Mobile. To schedule emails using the Klaviyo mobile app, start by opening the app and logging into your account. From the dashboard, tap on Campaigns and then select Create Campaign. Enter a name for your campaign, then choose Email as your campaign type. After that, you'll be prompted to select your target list or segment. Once your audience is selected, tap Continue and then move on to building your email content. You can either select a pre-designed template or start from scratch using the drag and drop editor. After customizing your message, tap Continue to review. On the review page, double-check your subject line, sender details, and the content of your email. To schedule it, tap the option that says Schedule or Send Later, depending on your app version. Choose the exact date and time you'd like your email to be sent, then confirm your settings. Once everything looks good, tap Schedule Campaign to finalize. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.